你该上课了，再见，再见。Reading is so boring. Hell yeah, when it comes to reading from a textbook, of course 5 minutes we're done. Sore eye, headache, and a hungry stomach. Let me give you something out of this word. Let's get down to reading. Welcome to English Chinese and fasten your seatbelts. I'm Xinyu. Many students ask me, Xinyu, I'm a beginner. Is there any good Chinese book that can help me learn Chinese? Well, if you're a Chinese beginner and you're looking for some good books to read, and then you need to pick up books that are simple, short, and interesting, that you just cannot put them down. So what you need to read is picture book. What is picture book? Well, picture book is a book full of pictures.
Why did I say that?
All these books use simple language vocabulary and the contents are very funny. Well, in these books, they are generally from Chinese elementary school kids or those of Asian kids who live abroad but they are also learning Chinese like you. Here is an idea. Don't be ashamed to pick up a picture book that is full of photos because that's how you start reading. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you 3 picture books that I think they are useful, funny, and suitable for Chinese beginners. In addition, I also recommend 3 YouTube channels of picture book. Let's just dive right in. 我们开始吧。What I want to recommend first is actually a series of picture books that is Tyrannosaurus series by a Japanese writer 宫西达也。Tatsuya Miyashita. There are 5 books in this series. I've got one here. Each book is not that long and the language is very simple. It's about Tyrannosaurus story. It's a series of books focused on life lessons and enables people to understand each other more and learn how to love. It's very touching and they are very popular among overseas Chinese families. So I'm gonna read you some couple of sentences so that you can have the idea about the language that used. 准备好了吗？爸爸给宝宝喂了好多好多吃的东西，多吃点吧，你要成为一只强壮的恐龙。妈妈抱着宝宝哄他睡觉，你要成为一只善良的恐龙啊。See, the language is very simple. You just need to grasp some basic dialects or words and then it will be no problem for you to read. The second is 跟爸爸一起去旅行中国地图. This picture book will take you experience the local culture and customs of 34 provinces in China. On this trip, you will explore every corner of China through cities, plateaus, deserts, grasslands, and oceans. You can also learn the lifestyle of 56 ethnic groups in China. I think it's really an amazing picture book that you can learn a lot of Chinese local culture. The third one I want to recommend is a series of picture books about Chinese history. 我们的历史. If you like Chinese history, but you find that Chinese history textbooks are difficult and boring, then this picture book will help you learn Chinese history in a fun way. The language is simple and interesting, and it has wonderful hand-painted pictures. From primitive society to Qing dynasty, it contains 5,000 years of Chinese history. Actually, in addition to the picture books I recommended, there are so many good, simple, and interesting picture books that worth trying, like this one, or this two. You might say there are thousands of picture books and I cannot buy all of them, and also I don't know which picture book is best for me. Don't worry, I'm gonna make a playlist about reading picture books on my channel soon. You can learn with me. In addition, I also want to recommend 3 YouTube channels of picture books, and you can find picture books that you are interested in on these channels. The first channel is 半頁有聲繪本 CLOV Picture Books. This is a channel dedicated to reading picture books for children. You also can listen to them as audiobooks. The picture books are read by professional actors. Their voice is so good. My cousin told me she plays the channel stories to her children every night. There are automatic subtitles in the video. The second channel is 爱多有声绘本故事 I do a Mandarin Chinese kids audiobooks. This is also a channel dedicated to picture books. There are various picture books in it. The earlier videos did not have subtitles, but now there are Chinese subtitles. The last I want to recommend is Little Fox Zhōngguó. It's a channel to help children learn Chinese. There are many fairy tales, animations, and Chinese songs. Well, that's today's sharing. I hope you enjoy it. If you are a beginner, take a couple of days to read one of these, and over the time, you will improve, my friend. Let me know in the comments which picture books or simple Chinese books you are interested in. If you think my video can help you learn Chinese, why don't you be a blessing and share it with a friend? I appreciate you and I wish you the very best in your life. I'm Xìliè. See you next time. 么么哒。